12. Tips for buying the right first car for beginners. Buying your first car is an exciting and challenging experience. Choosing a car certainly requires thought and planning so that the car you get is suitable and meets your needs. There are several tips that can be used to buy a first car for beginners. Come on, check out the tips below. 1. Determine the budget or budget. Before buying a car, one of the things to consider is how much money is spent on buying the car. Determine a realistic budget, according to financial conditions. Apart from the budget for buying a car, also consider additional costs such as maintenance, taxes, insurance, and fuel. 2. Consider your needs. After determining the budget for buying a car, potential buyers must consider their needs. Find out first whether the car is used for daily needs, traveling long distances, or to cover extreme terrain. Apart from that, also determine the capacity of the car. If you need a car with a large carrying capacity, then buy a large car. If you need a car that is suitable for passing through narrow alleys and easy parking, then choose a smaller car. 3. Choose the type of car. On the market, there are various types of cars. The types of cars currently in circulation include sedans, hatchbacks, SUVs, MPVs, coupes, convertibles, and station wagons. For those who need a large space, you can choose a station wagon and MPV type car. If you need a car that can handle extreme terrain, an SUV could be an option. Meanwhile, for traveling within the city, you can choose a sedan, hatchback, or coupe. 4. Research first before deciding to buy a car. Do research first to decide which car to buy. Potential buyers can read reviews first and compare features and prices. Choose a car with a price that suits your budget and has complete entertainment and safety features according to your needs. 5. Consider brand and after-sales. Make sure you choose a trusted brand and model of car. Before buying a car, prospective buyers can read car reviews and ratings from trusted sources. Apart from that, also compare the advantages of the car brand you are interested in with other car brands. Apart from choosing the right brand, prospective buyers are also required to consider the automotive company's repair network and after-sales. An extensive network of repair shops can help when your car needs repairs. Meanwhile, good after-sales can make car maintenance easier. 6. Pay attention to the resale price. If the car is to be sold after several years of use, pay attention to the resale price. When you want to buy a new car, try to check the price of used cars on the market. This can give an idea of the market price of the used one. Check the condition of the car. Make sure to check the condition of the car thoroughly before buying it. The parts examined include the engine, brake system, undercarriage, and interior condition. For those who want to buy a used car as their first car, bring a mechanic or friend who has automotive experience. This can help potential buyers to choose the right car that is in prime condition. 8. Carry out vehicle testing. One of the tips for buying your first car for beginners is to do a test drive. Before buying, try driving the car in various road conditions. Check cabin comfort, brake system, and other features of the car. 9. Study financing options. Before purchasing a car, be sure to explore the financing options offered. Look for the best financing option according to your needs and financial capabilities. Additionally, compare interest rates, payment terms, and associated fees.